you'll never guess where I am. I'm in the old workshop. I've come to deliver Dom's engine for the cut down. Just put it on the bench. Welcome back to Shedtune. Look where I am. I'm in the old workshop. Or is it the new workshop? Who knows? I don't bloody know. The old workshop at the moment, but we've got access to it, so we might be able to come back in and do some bits and pieces. Wait and see. Now, for those of you that have been following the channel for a long time, you'll know that this has been our workshop for, well, since the beginning. It's a bit of a shit chip at the moment, so we're going to tidy it up a bit, or rather Dom is, when he comes back, and we might even be able to get hold of some stuff and get on with a few projects. I really just came to drop that over, which is the RB250 engine that's ready to go, so that we can get on with the cut down. God, look at all them stickers that people have sent in over the years. There he is, look. He's in his shorts. What's that, Dominic, you've got in your hand? T-shirt? Pacemaker t-shirt?
Pacemaker.
Where'd you get that?
From Mr. Byron.
Oh, well, thank you very much, Mr. Byron. That even looks quite, that's Shedtune 69 yellow.
It is.
Well.
That's your one.
Thanks, sweetheart.
Just a large fat
person.
Yeah.
Right, well, get on with tidying up then, will you? What?
You push around and doing your serving the tea and coffee.
We ain't got any tea or coffee.
No, no.
We ain't even got a kettle anymore.
Oh, where is it? Oh, it's still in, what do you call it? In the box.
What? Well, I know we're chucking stuff in the skip. Do you want me to get rid of that old piece of shit?
No, there's a limit to what they'll take.
Oh. Well, luckily there's a downstairs now.
Hey?
That downstairs bit, you know.
Oh dear.
What's it like, Dom, being back in the workshop?
Kind of nice. It's I've missed it.
I've missed it. And now we've had a bit of a tidy up and we've got some ideas and plans.
Yeah.
Maybe we should come back in here.
Yeah, and use the other one for special. This is more of a communal one.
It is.
It's not commune.
Communal. Well, there you go. You've heard it from me and Dom. Do you want to see us back in the workshop? If you do, drop a comment below. Give us some encouragement.
Yeah, actually, let us know. Do you want to see us back in here or in the new?
Or in the new one. Or in both. We could alternate, couldn't we?
We could alternate.
Anyway.
Or alternate.
Anyway, you heard it first. Like, subscribe, drop some comments. Let us know what you want to do. Cheers. See ya.
See you later.